Hello! Want to become a Ukrainian citizen but don't know where to start? In this video, I will explain everything step by step in simple words. What documents you need, what exams you must pass, how long it takes, and what you will get after. Ukrainian citizenship is more than just a passport. It gives you new rights and opportunities. You can vote in elections, run for a political office if you meet the age requirements, and travel with a Ukrainian biometric passport. With this passport, you can visit the Schengen zone without a visa for 90 days within 180 days. But remember, rights always come with responsibilities. So, what to do? What do you need to do? First, permanent residence. Usually, you need a permanent residence permit and at least 5 years of living in Ukraine without long breaks. This is the standard way. There are exceptions if you are married to a Ukrainian citizen, if you are of Ukrainian origin, if you have special achievements, or if you served in the Ukrainian army, the time can be shorter. The next step, exams. There are 3 of them. The first one is the Ukrainian language. You need level B1. This means you can communicate in most everyday situations, order food in a cafe, explain your opinion, write a simple text, and understand a conversation. The exam is organized by the National Commission on State Language Standards. You register online, choose the city where you want to take the test, and pay the exam fee. The second is the Constitution of Ukraine. The Constitution is the main law of the country. It says, for example, that all people are equal, that Ukraine is an independent and democratic state, and that citizens have rights and duties. The test has 20 questions about the Constitution, and to pass, you must answer at least 15 correctly. The third exam is about Ukrainian history. It has 25 questions. You need to know the key events and dates. For example, 24th August 1991, Ukraine declared independence. To pass this exam, you need at least 20 correct answers. All 3 exams together cost about 27,000 hryvnias in 2025, around 730 euros. Each exam separately costs about 9,000 hryvnias. It's around 220 euros. If you don't pass, you can take it again in 4 months. And the retake cost about half of the price. After that, you must prepare documents. Usually, this includes application form, photos, your passport with a translation, residence permit, tax number if you have it, police clearance certificate, a paper showing you have no criminal record, proof of legal income, certificates from the language, constitution and history exams. All documents are submitted to the State Migration Service of Ukraine. The local department where you live checks your case. How long does it take? Usually from 2 to 6 months after you submit everything. If you have special grounds, for example, marriage with a Ukrainian citizen, the process can be faster, about to 5 months. There is also big news. In June 2025, Ukraine adopted a law on multiple citizenship. This means you will be able to become a citizen of Ukraine and keep your original passport. Before, people had to give up their first citizenship. Now, my advice: if you are planning to apply for Ukrainian citizenship, start with the language. The B1 exam is not difficult if you prepare, but you need practice. Listen to Ukrainian music and podcasts. Watch movies with subtitles. Learn basic phrases. The more you practice, the easier it will be. And here is the good news: you don't have to do this alone. I run a speaking club where foreigners can practice Ukrainian. Important. I'm not a lawyer, and I don't give legal advice about citizenship. I work with both beginners and students who already have some knowledge of Ukrainian. If you are just starting, we can build a strong foundation step by step. And if you are at B1 level, B2 level, or higher and need practice, by speaking club is perfect for you. In the club, we don't focus on grammar rules, we focus on speaking, conversations, culture, traditions, everyday topics, and real practice that helps you feel more confident. The link to my Preply page is under this video. Preply is an online platform where you can find tutors. Join me there and I'll be happy to support you on your way. But don't forget, as a citizen, you must respect the law, pay taxes, and in case of martial law, follow the rules of mobilization, because citizenship is not only about documents. It is about being part of the Ukrainian community, loving the culture, and feeling at home in Ukraine. And good luck!